This was an experiment that Bryce just won, hands down. Over here's Bryce. Over here's Char. And there's a very loud little Nikki. That's Bryce calling. Char doesn't even seem interested at all. In fact, what's this? She thinks that Nikki is an infiltrator of her nest or something. And Nikki here's Bryce. She just walks over to Bryce. Just as quick as she can get. See that? Char is looking right at her. Not a movement, not a vocal, nothing. Okay, 6. Get you over here. Now, we'll see what happens. Brycey, your baby's up here. Nikki's trying to work her way to Bryce. See? Don't fall off, sweetie. Don't fall off, sweetie. Yeah, your second mom is right here. Brycey, you come get your baby? Brycey. God, I'm so afraid she's gonna fall off. She's not quite compatible with her feet yet. Bryce is clearly upset. She wants her baby. And the chick desperately wants to get to Brycey. So we'll make this easier on them. That's my good mama. Ain't she the best? Apparently since sitting on eggs since October 30th pays off. On November 4th. That's my good girl. Make sure she's under there. She's been doing that a lot. Like preening. Like she has to make herself look pretty for the baby. Well, I know she's in good hands. I know she's in good hands. That's my girl. Yeah, you keep good care. She got away from you. Put her back under there, huh? Oh, look at her little face. You gonna be okay, Nikki, baby? I think you found a good mama. That's right. Right. Nice purr. Oh, I'm sorry. She's a noisy one. You can have her.